What's going on, you guys? It's Nathan from freedominfluencer.com. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about work at home jobs with no startup fees. So I know that you're going to get value out of this video. I'm going to go through these one by one, and I have 8 different things that you can be doing that you can start to work at home and, with no startup fees. Everything I'm about to share with you, it doesn't cost anything to start, which is the beauty of it. So without further ado, let's get right into it. And the first one is Apple. Yes, Apple. So all you have to do is you go to jobs.apple.com, and this is where it's going to take you. And you can actually see a description of the job title, the function of what it is, and the location. So we all know what Apple is. They're a huge giant, and to think that anyone can, come on here and apply for getting a job is amazing. So Apple is number 1. Number 2 is something called Brighton Communications. And this is found at brightonemployment.com/application. And, this isn't going to be for everyone, but, if you're okay with doing telemarketing and calling people and you have an internet connection, that's the requirement right here. They have it, spelled out what requirements are, and you can come and fill this out. Hey, you know what? If you are okay with calling people as a job, some people are desperate, then Brighton Communications just may be a fit for you and be exactly what you're looking for. So number 2 is Brighton Communications. Number 3 is Amazon. Amazon is huge, right, guys? So all you have to do is go to amazon.jobs. Okay, so you'd go www.amazon.jobs, and you can actually come on here and you can actually search. But while I'm here, I want to actually show you guys something else with Amazon since I'm here. So another thing that you can do is if you go to Amazon's main page and you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can actually become an affiliate. You just click on become an affiliate, and you can start promoting Amazon as an affiliate. Okay, so that's another way that you can start making money absolutely free. So Amazon is number 3. Number 4 is called SpeakRite. And you can get here by speakrite.com/transcription/jobs. And this is going to be, something where you're transcriptionist. So if that's something that you're interested in, this is definitely a place you can come and apply to work transcribing things. So that's just another one. So it's called speakrite.com. All right. Number 5 is called Fancy Hands. I know some of the names of these are funny, but it's actually at fancyhands.com/job/apply, and that will bring you here. And here's what some of the work that you can expect here is: making phone calls on behalf of people. It says canceling their cable, and it also says a lot harder than it sounds. Scheduling appointments, doctor's business, tracking down best prices for something. And then you can come in and look at all of this stuff. But this is called fancyhands.com. All right. And that comes in at number 5. Number 6 is called Mod Squad. Now, if you like, being online and working with social media and social engagement, they are pros in digital engagement. Okay. In chatting with customers, managing communities, and buzzing in social media. So this actually kind of seems kind of like a kind of hip and up-to-date type, marketing online and communicating with, communities and social media. So if you like social media and you like working online, this just may be for you. So Mod Squad, this is modsquad.com, and I think it's /join the mods. So this one comes in at number 6 is Mod Squad. Number 7 is actually to create courses. And I've covered this before, but if you go to udemy.com, that's UDEMY, you can create courses. And if you have knowledge on something, if you're savvy on anything, if you consider yourself an expert, and you don't even have to be an expert, but if you know something, you can simply create courses and promote them on Udemy. Now, You might say, well, Nathan, why would I do that when I can create my own website, create my own courses and all that stuff? Yes, you can, but here's the deal. You can come on Udemy and, it's no startup cost. So you can come in here and they will help you with the marketing. So if you are leveraging their system to put your courses on their platform, that's going to help you guys because you don't necessarily have to go out, create the website, create the courses. Well, you would have to create courses, but create the payment system and all of that stuff. The payment processing and all that is done right here on their platform. So I definitely recommend doing that. You can also jump over to, you can come here to YouTube and create courses on YouTube. Now this would be free, but you can still monetize them. So you can monetize your videos. You can drive traffic from your free trainings and teaching people back to your website or back to your paid courses if you were to have them even on Udemy. So you can use multiple different platforms in one. So that's what I recommend is using multiple platforms to grow a business and sell courses if you're going to do that. So number 7 is create courses. Number 8 is affiliate marketing. All right, you guys, I saved this for the last because I believe this is the best, and I saved the best for last. So I'll just show you a platform here. It's called ClickBank. They have categories in so many different niches that you can just literally come in here and choose a niche, and you can start promoting products within this niche, okay? And if you're passionate about, anything inside of here, you can come in. They have education, e-marketing and business, computers, business and investing, self-help like dating guides, eating disorders, general relationships, success. Guys, they have something in here pretty much for everyone. So if you don't want to create a course, if you don't want to create anything, but you want to just, make money off promoting other people's stuff, that's what affiliate marketing is called, then you can just come to ClickBank, guys. Now, I will tell you that, it can be, dog eat dog out here. There's a lot of people who know what they're doing, but if you take the time to learn and invest in yourself, you can actually do this kind of stuff and you don't have to pay anything to do it. So the next one I want to show you is also in affiliate marketing. It's JVZoo. All right. That's JVZoo, as in go to the zoo and see animals. All right. And this is really, if you want to start getting into internet marketing, right, then JVZoo is for you. Become an affiliate of JVZoo and start promoting some of their products. And it's really a good opportunity to get your feet wet and starting to make some money and learn how to promote and drive traffic and promote other people's products, and you make money off of it. That's what, affiliate marketing is, and it's amazing. And to wrap it up, you guys, I have to let you know about my website. You can go to freedominfluencer.com, and I have a lot of training and tips for you guys to learn how to grow your business online, okay? So I hope this was helpful to you guys. If it was, be sure to comment below. Let me know what you think. If there's something that I was leaving out that you want me to create in a future video, leave me a comment below, or even if you want to leave a comment about this video and your thoughts on it. If you like this video, hey, you know what? Help me out. Drop a like on the video. I really appreciate that. And if you want to see more videos just like this, I'm going to be training. I do this every week on my channel, at least once a week. I provide you guys with videos just like this. So if you want to see more videos and be notified, definitely subscribe to my channel, and I would appreciate that. And of course, if you guys want more training on how to grow your business online and become an entrepreneur using the power of the internet, hop on over to freedominfluencer.com and pick up some of that free training I have for you guys there. And I know that you guys will like that. So this is Nathan Lucas, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.